Yes, Presse Stuttgart is Europe's largest special interest publishing house. We publish around 150 magazines in Germany and beyond. Around half of our business is in Germany and the other half is abroad. This also means that we're very diversified in terms of locations. We have 4 locations in Germany and are represented with our own companies in 20 countries worldwide. Automoto Sport represents our flagship product and our most important magazine. More than 400,000 copies are sold every 14 days, and Automoto Sport is also the content template for many automobile magazines outside of Germany that belong to our company. Over the years, with the large number of magazines and the diversity of different departments, each magazine naturally had its own editorial office, own archive solution, etc., etc. This resulted in a situation where we had relatively high diversity in terms of technological support, technological systems, editorial systems, etc. And some 5 or 6 years ago, we said, this has got to stop. And it naturally would be great if we could find a uniform solution for all our magazines, for all applications, in addition to applications in digital areas. A few years ago, we took a very close look at the market, at what technical solutions were on the market, and in the course of our activities, we discovered Censhare, and then made the decision in favor of Censhare. And according to what I hear from all the experts, everybody's happy with the solution.
Our main location is here in Stuttgart. This is where we are operating our computer center, and this is also where we have installed the main Censhare technology. We have also connected other locations to our Censhare system. For example, repro service providers, who we have also directly integrated into the processes. Last year, we linked our Swiss colleagues in Zurich to our systems here in Stuttgart, and at the end of this year, we will be integrating another location, namely Hamburg, where our publishing group produces magazines such as Men's Health or Women's Health. While our colleagues in Switzerland had been working with the Woodwing editorial system so far, and after we had shown them how we work with Censhare, they also opted for the Censhare solution, which naturally pleased us. As already mentioned, we then directly linked our Zurich location to our Stuttgart operations, and we can now take care of the entire production here from Stuttgart.
Before 2005, we had our proprietary editorial system in the motorcycle group in place, and we had already gathered quite a lot of experience, especially with regard to interfaces. And this is why we decided in favor of Censhare, which is a fully integrated system that dispenses with the need for constant interface adjustments. With Censhare, we're now able to operate worldwide. Regardless at what location in the world an editor or a final editor may happen to be sitting, he or she will always have access to Censhare, and as a result, we have naturally gained a great deal of flexibility. Above all, this has effects on the efficient operational procedures and the economic efficiency of the entire editorial group. Censhare is available at all locations, and our data and content are always up to date. Today, all of our work is handled by the fully integrated Censhare system, which means we save and import our entire content of images, photos, text, layout, video, audio files, all in Censhare, where it is then used across the various media channels.
Based on Censhare, we have the full range of functionalities at hand to achieve precisely this. We have a large content pool where the data are stored according to a specific structure, and where data and contents can also be used across all media channels and formats. These capabilities are clearly demonstrated in the production of our iPad issue for the motorcycle contents. In this case, based on the Censhare print contents, we access the same data pool and add enriching elements such as videos, picture shows, and then create and output the iPad issue.
Only Censhare enables us to serve this new iPad app media channel in a cost-efficient manner. This is due to the fact that our system allows us to put these magazine contents on the iPad with very minimal manual input. It is important that the system supports rapid content output so that we can also offer this app in the iTunes Store at the same time the printed magazine is on the newsstands.
For the future of publishers, it is becoming more and more decisive to have data and information well structured. or also partially mapped and covered by databases.
Structural change is sweeping through the publishing sector. The trend is away from print towards digital products, and we have to keep pace with these structural changes, which is also a reason why we decided in favor of Censhare, because we naturally have to support this entire process in a systematic manner. Our aim is to continue to grow with our magazines and our target groups, and further strengthen our successful and profitable company.